guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Morgan and I wanted to give you guys a quick tour of our room and also our beautiful views from our balcony. I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, only you. Wanna be down with what you go through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. No matter the time of day or night is, wanna be down. Wanna be
Like the built up areas is like 30 kilometers. We don't use miles, we use kilometers, okay?
Chill.
As we're going, you're gonna see some houses that's going to finish. Because they say Jamaicans don't like to borrow money, they build as they go, okay?
Yeah. Current area right there.
Right here.
Where we just went to. Where is it? I tried this already.
Won't you try to drive it?
That was my first time.
The captain got you.
Oh yeah, he's good. I'm just saying, this is something I could do. I like it. Then it gets us in the current, so it's gonna push us this way.
These are bamboo trees, okay?
Oh yeah.
All these trees you are looking at, bamboo. That's what we used to make the raft.
Oh yeah.
And then it's a floatable grass.
Nice, nice. Strong too.
Very strong.
Mm-hmm.
But it only lasts for 6 months underwater.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
So to get ruined by transporting.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a one-way tour. This river only leads all the way into the ocean.
And then you gotta take them back.
Okay.
Oh,
So we transport them back on trucks.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I understand
Sometimes they
that.
get ruined by the temperature of the sun because the bamboo, it's a floatable grass, it's hollow on the inside.
Oh.
Empty pockets.
Oh, okay.
They get ruined by the temperature of the sun.
Mm-hmm.
If you leave it on the dry dock for 2 days,
Yeah.
the sun could open the joint.
Crack it, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Crack it and open it, push it in the water, containing too much water on the
Holding
inside.
the water, yeah.
So it don't last forever, it only lasts for 6 months
Okay.
on the water.
Man, that's crazy.
These are bananas and plantains.
Oh, I see the
Banana,
bananas.
small finger, plantain, big finger.
Ah.
So the big finger is the plantain, the small finger is the banana.
Wow.
And they got nice bananas on them.
So we both make chips, plantain chips, banana chips, potato chips.
Fix things, big things, big things. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. In a the Louis V vest.
All right. Thank you.
I want to get in the pool tonight.
Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. In a the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of the penis? Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out. You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else can do. That's why I'm lost in my love with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
No, you ain't going over
Hey,
there.
get over there.
Hey you guys, today is day 5 here in Jamaica. It is so beautiful. The weather is actually so hot today, and we are getting ready to head to a boat party for the day. Y'all, I don't know if I can handle this because this is a lot of heat, and we're gonna be out on the ocean. Hopefully we get a nice breeze off the ocean, but it is really hot. So that's pretty much all that's planned today, and then we have dinner reservations later at a Japanese restaurant. So I will be taking you guys with us on our boat party, so I will check in with you guys later.